Hi, welcome back from step 2. So as you can see, we have painted the box and the 3 spools that are going to be our legs. And I've painted them using this great black metallic texture paint from Heidi Swapp. We didn't use it as a texture. We just did a flat paint job with it at this point, but a little bit later we're going to use it for some texture. So we're going to use this paint in a couple of different ways for this particular kit. So I've masked off my box and I'm just going to remove the tape. I let this dry for, a couple hours because we're going to be sanding it, and you just want to make sure it's just profoundly dry before you do that. Otherwise, your paint's just going to kind of be gummy. So paint it, go run some errands, go to sleep, finish it the next morning, whatever you need to do to make sure it's nice and dry. Okay? And with the spools, just painted those, and then I left an area on the bottom free of covering that with paint. And here's why. On the bottom of the box where the slot is, that's going to be our bottom, I also put little squares of paint painted right over there, those to mask, and I'm taking those off. And here's why. A little bit later when we glue the legs on the bottom of this box, wood just adheres better. We're going to use tacky glue on that, and wood adheres better when it's wood to wood instead of paint to paint. Okay? Even if you seal this, that is just an opportunity for that paint to just chip off and the leg to break off. So we want to glue that wood to wood. So we're going to be doing that a little bit later, but that's all prepped for later. Okay? So we're going to come back for step 2 and do a little bit of stenciling.